How to start your Canva Pro free trial. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily start a free trial on Canva Pro. So open up your web browser and go to canva.com. Once you head over here, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see here, I'm already logged in and this is a free account. Now if you want to head over to the Pro, you'll find a big Try Pro for 30 days option at the top right of your screen. Just click on it. Now you'll be taken directly to the page where you can claim the offer. So what happens is you could get 100 million plus premium tool, photos, videos, and elements, 3,000 plus premium fonts, 600,000 words of premium templates, and then you'll find you can create and ease thanks to resize and background remover and premium animations as well. You can stay organized with brand kits, content planner, and 1 TB of storage. Now, once you click on claim offer, there are multiple options here. You can go with monthly plan or yearly. And if you select the monthly plan, you're going to get 25% off. So the actual price is 650 and you're getting it for 487. Once you've selected your plan, click on next. Here all you have to do is connect your payment method like your credit or debit card. And once you've connected your card, add your billing information like your card number, expiration date, the CVC code, region. And if you're using PayPal, just select your country, click on get your free trial. Now you're just going to have to log into your PayPal account, or if you're using your credit card, you're just going to have to add your credit card. Now tap on get free trial, and you're going to get a 30 days free trial, and you can cancel anytime. So once your 30 days free trial is over, you can cancel the subscription and you won't be charged anything. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.